Hi, so now we'll see how we can use this chart maker tool. Very powerful tool. Using AI you can generate chart instantly. Okay, so you be with me. So first of all you have to actually get this tool, this AI tools kit. More than 3000 plus task you can perform with this tool, and how you can get this toolkit I will guide you at the end. So first of all you simply come to this search bar, okay, over here, and click this chart maker, or else you select document option over here, then scroll down and find this tool, okay, chart maker. You click on that. So this is the edit dashboard. From here you can actually create beautiful chart. Okay, so first of all this is data input. You will have two options, table view, raw CSV. Okay, so now you can upload CSV file. If you have any CSV file, no, that also you can upload. Okay, then you will get this table view. In this everything fully editable. You can edit like month. You will have the revenue option over here, expenses, profit. Okay, and from here also you can edit. Okay, text based edit with raw CSV. So now from here what kind of actually first of all this chart customization option, no, it will be closed, okay, hidden, so you have to open this option. Okay, so from here if you want this kind of line chart, okay, you select line chart. If you want bar chart, you select bar. You will get this bar chart over here. Next pie, this is how it looks, pie. Okay, we have this horizontal bar. Okay, and the last one donut. Okay, donut charts. So everything you will get. So let it be line chart. Okay, and chart title, actually if you want you can edit that one also. This is a monthly financial overview. Okay, you can make it like monthly overview. Okay, only overview, monthly overview. Okay, next we have this one, font size. Okay, if you want you can increase or decrease. Okay, like that. Okay, this is actually not enabled automatically. Okay, fixed. So from here you can change the data as I told you. For example, June we have this 70,000. If you simply edit, okay, you will find the drop. Okay, you can see this, there is a decline option over here. Okay, you can increase also if you want. You can increase so that you will see this one automatically, it will be adjusted. So in this way you can edit or adjust, and once it is ready you can download it actually from this option over here, download PNG. You can download it. Okay, so now I'll guide you how you can get the tool. Okay, so this is the tool dashboard. From here actually you can get the tool. Now they have BFCM, which is Black Friday Cyber Monday deal is going on. So from here you can get the offer. They are giving huge discount actually, though they are mentioned only 3 hours left, but it will extend 7 days more. You can expect till 5th December. Okay, the offer is actually 15 USD per month. Okay, you can see 15 USD, and yearly it will be 19 USD, and one time 400 USD. So 20 plus brands you will get, AI brands, and 3000 plus workflows. Okay, you can manage with this tool. Very awesome and impressive, very useful tool. You should consider this, and actually please like and subscribe, it will motivate us a lot. The links will be there in the description, and don't forget to check out our existing videos. We have lots of videos actually on Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva. Okay, so these videos will definitely help you in your design career. Okay, so take care, bye bye.